what I gained from it was to actually physically get to walk down the hallways of such a prestigious school and to talk to, like Julia said, all of the students and the medical professors there as well, and to just get a feel of what it's like to attend that school. It's definitely a different experience from reading about it online.
And it makes it a bit more realistic, because you always hear about these Ivy League schools or prestigious schools, but visiting it in person, hearing actual people talk to us, made it a bit more real.
Yeah, so for me, I personally really liked Harvard in terms of the prestige and the infrastructure of the school, the design of the school. It was a very nice place to be in, especially the courtyard and the quad and looking straight at the medical building. Yeah, and I really love the history about the buildings as well.
They're really heavy on their research while studying medicine, and I think that's pretty cool.
So the tour around Johns Hopkins University was probably one of the most memorable, definitely in terms of architecture as well. We went during Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so the campus was very serene and peaceful, and we were really able to enjoy the university in all of its natural beauty. So we met two students during the tour who really gave us a thorough recount on the history of the university and gave us a great insight and opportunity to see what it would be like to study there in the future.
The experience in Haiti was so different from any other experience that I've ever had in my life. The people there fundamentally had so little, yet they were some of the happiest people that I ever met. The kids were incredibly driven, they possessed many diverse talents, and they definitely inspired me to be happier with less in life. In terms of the healthcare system, it's not nearly as advanced in terms of medical procedures, but they make up for that with their incredible bedside manner, and it was truly something special watching the patients interact with the doctors. Even the sort of goings-on of the hospital was really cool to get to see, even though obviously the healthcare system is so different in New Zealand, and it definitely made me appreciate modern medicine and what we have in New Zealand, because for us it can seem, like a given, but when you go to somewhere like Haiti, you can definitely see that what we have is pretty incredible, and we're pretty lucky to live in a place like New Zealand.